Welcome. If you're ready to give your Roblox app a sleek new look and make those late-night gaming sessions easier on your eyes, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable the dark theme on the Roblox app for PC, following the latest update. This process is quick, simple, and will have your interface looking modern in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on the one labeled More. It's usually represented by 3 dots, making it easy to spot. After clicking More, a new menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This is where you can customize your Roblox experience and manage your account details. Inside the Settings menu, you'll want to enter the Account Info section. This is where all your personal account settings are stored, including the theme options. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Theme. You'll see a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down, and you'll be given a choice between light and dark. Go ahead and select Dark. That's it. As soon as you choose the dark theme, your Roblox app will instantly switch to a darker color palette, making it much easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments. Not only does it look great, but it can also help reduce eye strain if you spend a lot of time playing or building on Roblox. Enjoy your new dark theme on Roblox. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might want to upgrade their Roblox experience too. Thanks for tuning in and happy gaming.